Here's another unboxing, and this time is the Avengers Age of Ultron, the Best Buy exclusive. Yeah. Here's the bag, anyways, of it with the special features there. Yeah. I think this movie was okay, but I just want to get the Steelbook since my first one was already with Steelbook anyways. So I want to get this version of Ultron. Here's on the side the spine. If you're looking on the front, now let's see the back. That's the back. Ultron, take a little look more closer. Looks great actually. Yeah. This is the inside with the Blu-ray and the 3D. And the whole Captain America, Iron Man, and Thor. This is the other side. Here's the other characters now with a Widow, Nick Fury, Hawkeye, Scarlet Witch, yeah. Take a better look. And you get this inside anyways, that you get your free collectible whole poster, a teacher, some free comic books. Yeah, and then you get and of course the version for the Disney Anywhere. You can play on iTunes and Google Play. Yeah. Well, there you have it. The Avengers Age of Ultron, the Best Buy exclusive Ultron Steelbook and 3D. You get a Blu-ray 3D, the Blu-ray, and the digital HD. Or from Best Buy. I got it this morning anyways. They have another Steelbook edition, but I like this one and I pre-order. I'm glad I get it anyways. They had the other 3D version and the regular Blu-ray on the red case. I was gonna get that one because I like the red case. I was interested in buy that and collect it, but I like to collect Steelbooks anyways. So I'm gonna take a closer look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.